welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU order that I have that I've been putting together from a larger order that I received about a week ago. So you'll see a lot of these paintings that I'll be probably repeating the same thing, but it was a really big order, so that's why it's ending up in smaller ones. So I'm going to have to make a really long video. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So, I'm going to say it once again. I am a TEMU affiliate. So you're going to see a code appear right around here. And so with the code, if you actually search with it on either the website, on the TEMU website, or the app, if you haven't installed, it will provide you, whether you're a new user or returning user, and a certain percentage amount or a coupon bundle, depending on what situation at the time of search. So, and there's always random lightning deals and always other coupon bundles and other deals that are shown on the website. And whenever the code is used, I do get a small little commission, and anything that I receive always goes back to the channel. So I always want to make sure, you know, to be getting a couple more orders for y'all so I can be able to show. And this one's quickest one I've done. So without further ado, let's get to the paintings. Well, actually right before the painting, with this order, I actually bought a small wax. So TEMU, sometimes when you do an order, sometimes the requirement minimum is either $20 or $15. I'm not too sure why it changes every now and then. So I can complete around the $20 mark for another order I did, I just added this little box of wax. So, and I've used wax from TEMU before, so I really do love using wax. And I know a lot of people don't really use wax anymore, but it is a good quality and it does last a long time before you have to change it out. This little box has 3 little kind of heart pads of it. I picked blue because blue is my favorite color, but they do offer a variety of different colors. And I've seen from other diamond painters that I'm not too sure why, but for whatever reason, around blue or purple wax does not stay on the diamonds when they're placed. And I've seen it because I've done a painting already using just the blue wax that I had. You don't see it. So that's why I went and bought a little blue heart. And at the time of purchase for this little wax, it was 67 cents. No, my apologies. When I purchased it, it was 69 cents. But now they're going for 67 cents. So, of course, I did a price adjustment. I know it's 2 cents, but hey, it adds up. It makes a difference. And yeah, it's so cute. And I really love the box. So I'm going to put that aside. Little random item there. I just really wanted to show it. So let's get to the paintings. So for the first one, of course, it's flowers. And if you're a returning viewer, you know I love my flowers. So that's why when I saw this painting, I really wanted to pick it up because I really do love sunflowers. And they're really good for different seasons or even year round. So you don't have to worry about it. And my apologies, my neighbors are starting to move some random stuff. So if you hear some thumping or dragging sounds, it's my neighbors. Sorry about that. It's just real random. You'll hear a really random loud sound. So let me just open it up real quick. Well, the diamond and the standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would have to do is just get the little pink pen, press into the wax, press it into the diamond that's poured into the tray, and then press it onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, in your next kit of whatever you've purchased, you're always going to have another tray, or actually a whole kit as well. And these are the diamonds. Me and my earthy tones, I see it, the browns and a little orange in the back. Really like the random red. You can actually see it here in the middle. Since this is a little train of packets, you can actually see all these random colors in the middle. Oh, this is like a really darker yellow. Kind of like it. And a really bright yellow in the middle. Oh, I really like these colors. And this is the paint. It's a little kind of, I'm not too sure if it's a bottle, I believe. with sunflowers around. My apologies. It's a little stalk of sunflowers with some butterflies surrounding it. And I really liked it because I love how large and kind of bright the sunflowers are. So I was real surprised when I first saw this image. Apologies, I'm going to pick up the plastic real quick. Kind of help settle it down because as you can see, the painting has a couple creases, and that's because since it's wrapped up in the plastic. So I always pick up the plastic covering on it, place it back down, and actually help settle the creases down. There you go, so you can see the painting a little bit better. Oh my goodness, I really like this one. I love all the earthy tones, and now I know where that really bright yellow we saw is going to go. I love the butterflies too. And some information about the painting. It is Z0013 with a pound sign or a hashtag, depending on how you know the term. And it is a 20 by 30 and it is 15 colors. Oh my goodness, well, it makes sense. The background is a really large kind of taupe, kind of dark brown color. That makes sense why it's 15. And the legend, luckily, is all capital letters. Yep. Yay, I love those kind of legends. There's no numbers, no hidden symbols, so you don't have to worry about that. I really do like that. For this painting, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see more clearly. There's a nice little stalk of sunflowers. This mortar style. Apologies for that. I'm just putting it here on the side. And this is the next one. So I love color. I love pastel. I love rainbows. And when I first saw this painting, I really wanted to pick it up because I love all of the pastel colors that's on it. So I really wanted to pick it up. And I know when I complete it, I'm just going to put it on my wall. Because, you know, you need color in your life. And just having a nice, pretty pastel-y painting next to you, I don't know, makes me smile whenever I see the colors. And these next two paintings are going to be bigger ones. So you'll see that in a moment. So same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Remember I said about pastel colors? Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. I love this really soft mint color, this soft coral color, that really nice kind of lilac color. Oh, I really love these. As you can see in the middle, it's like a whole array of pastel right here. Oh, I really love these. Oh, and here's my wonderful blue. Oh, I really love these colors. And this is the painting. They said it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow with a star and with some wonderful little puffy clouds in blue and pink color. The wonderful blue sky and other random stars as well. And I really love this image. As I said, it kind of makes me smile a bit. My apologies, I'm just going to move some items so I can have some more space to show the painting. Sorry about that. I always forget to move stuff from my desk. Oops, sorry. When I'm diamond painting and when I know I'm going to record, I always forget to take items off. I don't know why I forget. And sorry about that. As you can see, beautiful rainbow with a star and little puffy clouds. Oh, I really like it. Oh, it makes me think of cotton candy. Maybe that's why I like it. And I'm just going to pick up the plastic real quick just to help the creases. And I really love the colors on this painting. As I said, it's just a really, really bright color pastel painting. Have it on the wall. It'll make you smile a bit when you see it. Ooh, the plastic is really stuck on this painting. So you hear me struggle a bit. There you go. Ooh, that's interesting. I just saw in the corner. There's a really, really dark kind of magenta colors here on the corner. Huh, that's interesting. I guess it's supposed to kind of give kind of more of an overtone to the lighter colors to help make them pop. I really, really do want to start this painting, but I already have so many kitted up. I kind of have to wait on this one. Well, unless I do it as a side one. Nope, I gotta finish my other paintings. And so, some information about this painting. It is CH045 and it's a 30 by 40. And it is 19 colors. Ooh, not bad. As I said, I just love all the pastels. They're so, so pretty. And luckily, the legend is all capital letters. Ooh, thank goodness. No hidden symbols, no numbers. They're all capital. Ooh, I love that. And the field as well is really detailed. You can see all of the, let me see if I can get a little closer. You can see all of the lettering really clearly, and it's darker for the bright. Well, it's darker for everything, since pretty much all of the colors on this painting is really light. Shouldn't have any problem seeing the drill field. This one's really nice. It's real clear. I'm a big fan of that. And for this one as well, I'll put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see more clearly. There's a wonderful little rainbow. It's nice cotton candy cloud is your style as well. And for my last painting, it's another big one. And this one, oh, my apologies, I shook my camera with that. I'm just so excited about this one. This one, when I first saw it I saw it on another site, and not another company, just on a random image on the site. I started looking it up on TEMU, and I saw that it is an actual diamond painting. I thought it was just an image, just for the background, a wallpaper, sorry. And I've found on TEMU that it's also a painting as well. So let me just unfurl a little bit. As I said, it is a bigger canvas. And as well, your diamonds and your standard kit. As I said, Trey will always find you. This one's a little fancier. It has a multi-placer of 3 on this one. I gotta remember to keep that because I do love my 3s. And little Ziploc bags or sealed bags, just in case you need to ever put any extra diamonds away. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, I love that dark purpley color. As you can see here, those wonderful dark teals, the lighter teal, random little peach and a mint there. Oh, I really love this little color scape here. Ooh, really excited about that. And this is the painting. Oh goodness, I forgot how big this one was. And as you can see, wonderful blue waves with some wonderful trees with some, I would say cherry blossoms, but I don't think that's what they are. I just assume they are. And the wonderful sun in the background. I love the orange effect of the sun of the sky and the flowers as well. Oh my goodness, I love the colors on this one. And you can see the waves here with a nice beautiful blue with some white foam. Usually when waves do that in the ocean. And all of these wonderful flowers at the bottom. I love this image as well. So I don't think I need to pick up the plastic. Well, you can, it looks good. The creases aren't that hardcore as the other paintings. And I really, really love it. Oh, and my apologies. For the rainbow painting, I always forget to state the prices. Sorry about that. For the rainbow painting, it was $3.98 when I purchased it. Right now, it's still $3.98. That one, I did not purchase it on a discount because I just really wanted the painting. So that's why there was no discount on it. On the sunflower one, that one I did get it on a lightning deal. So when I purchased it, it was $1.50. But right now it's going for $1.95. So if you put it in your cart, every now and then TEMU will send you information of, oh, this painting you have been holding on to, let's give you a discount. Or it might pop out on a lightning deal. So that's why that one I purchased at a really affordable price. This painting, this painting I did not purchase it. It was a gift. So TEMU every now and then provides either they're probably having a deal for the day or promotion, and one of them was a free gift if you do an order of $20, I believe. This one was part of the large order I did, so of course it was more than $20. So, excuse me, since I added this one, it was free. So I got this one as a gift. I didn't purchase it, but right now it is on price $6.48. To me, I think it's a pretty good price, and I'll explain why in a moment. My apologies. Some information about the painting. It is ZTM 2339 and is a 40 by 50, and it is 29 colors. And the legend is numbers 1 through 7 are in numerical order. So 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from numbers 8 through 28 are all capital letters. So as you can see, and 29 is the only one that's different. They put a lowercase a, and I don't think I think it's, don't put a smaller letter to other letters, but what do I know? I just make the paintings. And the legend is really large though, as you can see. Oh, I really like that. And for 40 by 50 for $6, I think that's a pretty decent price. Because I've seen some before that were around almost the $10 range. So usually when the price is getting that high, I usually back off or wait until they put it on a discount sale. But this one, I picked it because I fell in love with the image. I didn't know what the price was. And since it was going to be a gift, I figured, let me get a big one. So I knew I wanted a larger one. And honestly, I've never done a 40 by 50. Maybe this one should be my first. And the drill field is really nice as well. The lighter part, as the sun here, is a darker tone, so you can actually see it really clearly. But once it shifts to darker colors, it switches the color to white. So you can actually see the drill field really clearly, as you can see on the darker colors. And I'm a big fan of that. And honestly, a lot of these paintings I get from TEMU, I never really test the stickiness, because I've always never had issues with diamond sticking. But yep, stick is good. It's always good. I've never had issues with that with TEMU paintings, so that's usually why I don't really check it, because I know that it's going to stay put. And I don't seal my paintings because I don't have a sealer kind of item to kind of cover it. But most of my paintings are on the wall, or I put them away portfolio, so they're not really getting jostled around, you know, getting thrown around anywhere. So I have no problems with that. I've never had issues with any diamonds falling off of my TEMU paintings. And for this painting as well, I'm going to put an image here in the middle of my screen so you can see it more clearly. We have a nice little white wave with a tree painting is my style. I really love this painting. Now I'm not going to kid it up. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. As I said, there's going to be a couple more. Okay, that's a lot of TEMU videos, because I'm waiting for one more order, and that one was kind of a medium size, so you're going to see a lot more TEMU videos from me. So yeah, get ready. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I ask if we can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps out my channel, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone these wonderful paintings. I'm more than happy to show to y'all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.